Hi, Gary Nelson again at Hendrick Chevrolet. Part 2 of our video about the Corvettes. Again, I'm the Corvette manager here, and we wanted to just talk about a few things today that we offer for your Corvette when you purchase it from us, and ways to maintain your Corvette in a new manner that it is when you get it. Some of the things we offer that aren't mandatory, we do offer the paint protection film, the PPF, which covers, our package covers the entire front of the car. It's an 8mm thick clear vinyl film, protects your paint against rots and chips, that sort of thing. We cover the entire hood, the headlights, the front fascia, ground effects if you have them, and the mirror leading edges. And it's got a 10-year warranty on it, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper than having your car repainted. The second thing we offer is ceramic coating for the car that protects it against the elements. It's a chemical that's applied to the surface of the car and applied properly, protects your car against the environment, all the stuff that falls out of the sky, swirl marks, makes it easy to clean, keeps dirt off of it, or makes dirt come off of it easy, put it that way. It won't keep it off of it. You can't do that. We also offer interior care. We offer ceramic for the wheels to help clean brake dust when that happens. And then we offer a service package that's basically half price for 6 oil changes. And we only use Mobile One, that's recommended. So you get 6 oil changes for basically half price that you would have to pay for it if you came in each time you did it. Maintaining a Corvette is a lot simpler now than it was years ago. Years ago, you kind of worked on it all week long so you could drive it on the weekend. Now, very, very few service items on the Corvette. And we'll walk back and look at this C8 Coupe here and just show you how easy it is to maintain one of these cars. So as you see, it's now a rear engine vehicle, mid-engine, and there's only 2 serviceable items back here, the oil service and the coolant service. Everything else is pretty much taken care of, and it's only due every 7,500 miles. If you don't see oil on the garage floor, you don't see it smoking, it's not using any oil. They have a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty on the engine, 3-year and 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. And if you keep the car longer than that, which a lot of people do, Hendrick offers probably the best aftermarket warranty in the system. I've tried several others before I came here. By far, Hendrick's is the best. It's AutoGuard, and it's a very dedicated product. And I've seen our service advisors call with people come in with other aftermarket warranties. It takes them all day long to get an approval that usually comes out as a disapproval. And with the Hendrick AutoGuard, they call over to Charlotte. Within seconds, it's approved, and the work began. So that's something to think about. We offer with the car. Not just the new cars, but the previously owned cars too. When I talk about maintenance for the Corvette and what we do here at Hendrick Chevrolet, I have 2 primary technicians in the back that are very knowledgeable about the Corvettes, especially the C8s and C7s. We also have one of the best wheel and alignment people you'll ever meet, and he treats each car like it's his own. When I see him mounting a set of tires on a set of carbon fiber wheels that cost $15,000. He's very tedious with it, as you expect. We have no metal parts on our changers that will scratch your wheels. And BB, as we call him, can take care of your wheels just like they're his own car. And alignments, he knows if you want to put a track alignment on it, a street alignment on it, he knows exactly what to do. Our alignment, as we remodeled our store several years ago, is a straight-on, drive-on alignment rack now. Instead of you have to go up a rack and take a chance on dragging the front end or your carbon fiber or whatever. It's a level drive-on, and BB can make it the way you want it to do. Our technicians are very knowledgeable, and they have all the resources they need to maintain your car and keep it running. And if it's something wrong with it, they know how to fix it. We're now coming into the ZR1. That's a new addition to the Corvette lineup. The ZR1's been around since the C3 series, and when I say C3 series, C is Corvette, 3 is a generation. Right now we're in the 8th generation, so everything you see here is C8s that began in 2020. But The ZR1 is a state-of-the-art sports car with 1,064 horsepower, and it's got a lot of heads turning at this time. It's not on the street yet. It will be coming soon. We are a dealer for those. Just as you see, the ZL6 here was the last model that came out from the C8 series, along with the E-Ray, which uses the same body, but it's a hybrid combination of gas in the rear and electric up front. Only for performance, not for economy. These are world-class sports cars. They're made in America. It is America's sports car. It's been around since 1953, so we're in the 71st year of the Corvette, and they're growing in popularity. So if you want one from the best in the business, come here to Hendrick Chevrolet, and we'll be glad to take care of you.